Pinch of salt and a dash of grace. I'm cooking up luck all over the place. They say stars align in the sky above, but my luck starts with the kitchen full of love, whisking away